guys, this is Coach K, and today the girls already took off the ornaments, the Christmas ornaments, and we are ready to throw this tree, this lovely tree in the backyard. I'm gonna miss this, guys. Oh, look at this wonderful tree. So ayan guys, so yeah, we're gonna throw this, and the girls already put the Christmas ornaments here in this box. So yeah, we're gonna miss the Christmas tree, guys. See the spikes. So we're gonna vacuum later to clean this out and see the stand. We usually drink or put water here to, para hindi po siya malanta. Ayan guys, maganda pa naman siya, oh. Diba? I'm gonna miss you, Christmas tree. Thank you for your service. Thank you so much. Ayan guys, na tinapon ko na po yung Christmas tree namin. So, nasa likod na po siya ng bakuran. Bye-bye. Thank you for your service, Christmas tree. Till next year. Bye! Guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye! Guys, after I throw the Christmas tree in our backyard, ayun, nag-iwan po siya ng maraming kalat. So, babacuumin ko po siya. Sobrang favorite ko tong vacuum na to. It's from Shark. The brand is Shark. So, even with dog hair, human hair, it can be, sisip-sipin po niya. Okay, let me show you guys. Bakas ng mga Christmas tree nandito pa rin po sa floor. Ayan. Isang daan lang. Wala na. Kasi ba guys, ang galing? So ayan guys, since sinisipag po ako, itutuloy ko na siya hanggang kitchen. So I just wanted you to see the before I'm going to vacuum this rag. Okay? So let me turn this on. I apologize, it's really noisy. Spotless na siya, right? Ayan na guys, diba? Sobra siyang, it looks brand new, right? After I vacuum this rag. And I do really like to thank Shark for having this vacuum. Again guys, this is not paid ad. This is not paid ad from Shark, okay? So this is the vacuum, and it absorbs all the hair. Look at that. The puppy hair, the dog hair, and the human hair, and even dust. So what I'm gonna do right now is to open this, and you can see how dirty the floor is. Hold on. So here guys, you just have to, and you don't need to have a bag, vacuum bag. This vacuum has its own bag. You just have to open it like that. See that? See how dirty it is? So it's a mess, right? Oops. So guys, what I'm gonna do is to dump this in the trash can like this. Look at that. See? And it's now clean. So I now have a empty bin. So I'm gonna put it back, and it's really easy to put it back. So there you go. Guys, that's my part 2 of my video today, and I hope you like it. And again, happy new year. And this is Coach K. Bye.